The impact of deep federal cuts and staff reductions at the National Weather Service are affecting how forecasters collect data on dangerous developing storms. In tonight's In-Depth, CBS's Dave Malkoff reports the consequences could leave American communities less safe.
Chainsaw 11, this is Chainsaw Main, radio check, over.
When you have to call out the National Guard for an ice storm, you know things are bad. At the end of March, meteorologists couldn't forecast just how much northern Michigan would be encased in ice.
While it showed devastating ice, it ended up still being worse than expected.
Full spring weather. We'll be feeling like it.
CBS News Detroit's chief meteorologist Ahmed Badji was working without weather data he counts on.
We couldn't get true real-world data as often as needed.
At least 13 of nearly 100 balloon sites got cut or reduced when the Department of Government Efficiency took aim at NOAA earlier this year.
All of the red pins are sites that have been completely canceled by the budget cuts. Every yellow pin is one that's now down to once per day.
Two of them, one in Michigan and one in Wisconsin, left gaps in data that could have helped last Thursday when dangerous thunder and tornadoes hit Wisconsin. But this isn't just a Midwest problem. There have been cuts in places like the Rockies and Tornado Alley, where storms get started and move east. For the last 100 years of American weather forecasting, there's been no better substitute to weather balloons.
Sound is detected.
Dr. John Allen at Central Michigan University teaches future meteorologists and studies how AI can improve forecasts.
It's on the way.
But he says this data is irreplaceable.
So what this device is doing is reporting back every couple of seconds as we look through the whole column of the atmosphere.
His research in AI can't make up for the lack of air pressure and moisture data collected by balloons.
Why do you need something like this? Why can't you just see it from the satellite or from radar or something like that?
If we have clouds, satellites really don't tell us much about what's actually happening.
In a statement to CBS News, a NOAA spokesperson defended the NWS forecasting, saying reports suggesting otherwise are false and disrespectful to the many weather scientists who work tirelessly to produce the best weather data in the world. In the meantime, meteorologists like Badji have no choice but to make do with their new limitations.
This is about public safety. It's every single forecast, every warning, every alert, and every update, and this is where it comes from.
And there's one more missing piece to show you, a red pin on the Florida Panhandle, just days before hurricane season. Dave Malkoff, CBS News, Detroit.